So we'll start a series of videos about our neighborhood roads being torn up and everything underground being rebuilt. It starts with this machine, the WIRTGEN road eating machine. Remember this from a previous video? Grabs the tar, immediately turns it into dirt.
Go over here. Okay. So he cut the tar, and that's where it ends. And then it just turns into dirt. What the heck?
It's like they've done this before, and now they remove the curbs, and this took like 45 minutes to do our whole cul-de-sac. This one guy, he's probably having fun. And then somebody cuts, the end of our new driveway. Oh boy. And then you have to remove the end of the new driveway, of course. And then a time lapse of removing the ground up asphalt, which they bring to the park and put in a big pile for the kids to climb on. The thing's huge. They'll bring it back later as a base for the new road.
Let's go for a walk in the dirt. Look at, it's a construction zone. It's because we're getting our roads all ripped up. And we figured maybe we'll show you kind of what they're doing. Hey, here's a fire hydrant. Here's what's under the ground. All of this is under the ground. Big bolts and unions. That's PVC. Well, look at this thing right here. Here's a shutoff valve, okay? So this shuts off. Oh, can you see it inside of here if it shuts off or not? I'm gonna turn it. So that's a gate valve. Okay, I'm not gonna shut that anymore. So this goes this way all the way to the surface. So all of this is in the ground, right? It goes this way to the ground, and then you see a fire hydrant. So if you want to shut off the fire hydrant, you take this big long rod and you go way down into the ground, and you start turning this to move the gate valve, which shuts off the water supply to the fire hydrant. So last week they were digging a huge hole here. I got some video of that. It's funny because you don't really see what's going on underneath your road in front of your house until it gets all ripped up. Look at, these are all old pipes. But look over there, there's the new pipes. And those are made of PVC. So I think these are water supply pipes. And remember that valve that we were turning over there? Look at, here's an old one. That's an old one with the ground and the clay on it. Let's go look at some more junk. See, there's some of that stuff that we saw at the fire hydrant hookups. So these are all unions of something, and here's rubber gaskets that go inside the unions. There is a purpose for everything
Made in the USA.
Look at that. That's, I mean, you can't even, how heavy is this thing? Oh, here is a shut-off thing. Water, McDonald water. So it'll sit like this in the ground. That's how deep it is in the ground. And when they want to shut off the water, they turn this end right here. It turns this end to shut something off. Oh, here's some concrete stuff. And look at these. How do you lift that up into the air? Here's some ones that are oval shaped. Where is this gonna go? This must be some central location for when you crawl down inside. Look at that. There's stairs built into it. So it must be some central storm drain thing. And new LED street lights. LED lights up here. They must reflect off the bottom and light up the street. Are these heavy? Oh, they're, yeah. And this is fiberglass right here. Wow, pretty cool. These water pipes over here, they've already got shut-off valves hooked up for different parts of the neighborhood. So, down on the end, there is a fire hydrant where half of the neighborhood is now getting their temporary water right off a fire hydrant. And then if you follow it all the way down, it comes over here to a valve. You see that? That's our, so this is our water supply to our house. Then it keeps going that way to the neighbors' houses. And over here, they just didn't worry about slack and brought it up to the outdoor spigot where they're feeding the water in this way into the house, and then they put this on so we can use the garden hose. But our water supply comes into the house right here. Isn't that nuts? Never would have thought of that. Okay, well, we'll keep you updated on the progression of our street construction.